10 phrases for daily routine expressions. Hello and welcome back. If you want to sound more natural and confident in English, learning daily routine expressions is one of the smartest moves you can make. These are phrases people use every day, at home, at work, at school, and everywhere in between. But here's the secret. Most learners use them in boring, robotic ways, or worse, they use the wrong form at the wrong time. In this guide, we'll break down 10 powerful daily expressions. For each one, you'll learn what it means, when to use it, how it's often used incorrectly, and how to make it part of your real speech. Ready to sound smart, fluent, and natural? Let's get started. 1. I wake up at... This is the classic start to any daily routine. It means you open your eyes and become conscious, but many learners confuse it with get up. Wake up is for when your mind becomes active, while get up is when you physically leave the bed. Don't say, I wake up and then brush my teeth. If you're still in bed, a better use. I usually wake up at 6:30, but I get up around 7. To make this stronger, add emotion. I wake up to my loud alarm every day. It's the worst part of my morning. Use this phrase to mark the start of your day and combine it with feelings, time, or reasons for waking up.
2. Get ready.
This phrase means you prepare yourself usually for work, school, or an event. Many learners skip this and use too many verbs like I brush my teeth, take a shower, eat breakfast. Instead, group these with one smart phrase. I get ready for school. It's cleaner and more natural. Avoid saying, I prepare myself. That sounds too formal. Use, after I wake up, I get ready for the day. Use it in different tenses. Example, I'm getting ready for a job interview tomorrow. It adds style and saves time in conversation.
3. I head to.
This phrase means you are leaving to go somewhere. It's more natural than I go to. Say, I head to work at 8 a.m. or I'm heading to class now. A common mistake is mixing this with I go for, which is used with activities, not destinations. For example, I go for a walk is correct, but not I go for office. Smart speakers use head to sound smoother and more fluent. Want to upgrade it? Add purpose. I head to the gym to clear my mind. It's great for storytelling and conversation flow. 4. I grab a quick bite. This is a casual native phrase for eating something fast, often breakfast or a snack. Don't just say I eat. That's bland and robotic. Instead, say I grab a quick bite before work. Common mistake, people say. I take a bite, thinking it's the same. No, it means a single mouthful. Grab a bite means a small, informal meal. Use this phrase to sound more like a fluent speaker, especially in casual settings. It works great in morning or lunch routine stories. I grab a quick bite, egg, and head out the door. 5. I check my phone or emails. This is a real-life action. Everyone does, often too much. But it's useful in daily routine talk. Instead of saying, I look at my phone, use check. It sounds more purposeful. Example, I check my emails while having coffee. Don't confuse this with see my phone or open my phone. They're not correct. Smart speakers also link it to multitasking. I check my messages during breakfast. Use this to show your habits or work-related tasks in a more modern way. 6. I get stuck in traffic. This phrase is a must. If you commute or drive, it means you're delayed by cars or traffic jams. Don't say, I'm in traffic. That just means you're inside it, not necessarily delayed. Instead, say, I get stuck in traffic every morning. It's so annoying. This phrase adds emotion and real-life frustration to your story. You can also use it in the past. I got stuck in traffic and missed the meeting. It's great for conversation and explanations. 7. I catch up on. This is a smart, flexible phrase that means you're doing something you missed earlier. You can catch up on sleep, emails, work, or even a TV show. Instead of saying, I do my missed work, say, I catch up on work. Common mistake. I follow up my sleep. Not correct. Instead, use, I catch up on sleep over the weekend. This phrase sounds modern, natural, and is often used by native speakers to describe productivity or balance. 8. I wind down. This means you're relaxing or slowing your body and mind after a busy day. Don't say, I relax me, or I calm me. Those are incorrect. Instead, say, after dinner, I wind down by reading. Smart learners use this phrase to describe end-of-day habits, soft music, hot tea, or meditation. Example, I like to wind down with a good movie. It sounds calming, fluent, and shows emotional awareness. It's also a great transition phrase to talk about your evening. 9. I hit the sack. This casual idiom means go to bed. It's used informally and shows fluency. Don't say, I go to bed or I go sleep. Those are wrong. Instead, say, I'm so tired, I'm going to hit the sack early tonight. It adds flavor and personality to your speech. Want a more polite version? Use, I'm off to bed. But for storytelling or casual talk, hit the sack is fun and memorable. Try it in the past tense too. I hit the sack right after dinner yesterday. 10. I sleep in. This means you wake up later than usual, usually on weekends or holidays. Don't say, I oversleep, unless you missed something important. It sounds like a mistake. Sleep in is intentional rest. Example, I sleep in on Sundays to relax. A lot of learners confuse this with go to bed late, but they are opposites. Use this phrase to describe your restful routines or time off. Want to sound extra natural? Say, I love to sleep in when I don't have any meetings. Conclusion. Live your language. Speak with style. Daily routine phrases aren't just small talk. They are your gateway to real fluent English. They help you sound more natural, more confident, and more connected to native speakers. But remember, it's not just about knowing the phrase, it's about using it the right way, in the right moment, with the right feeling. Use the tips, examples, and corrections above to make these 10 expressions part of your speaking habit. Practice them in real conversations, write about your day, or even record yourself saying them aloud. Learning smart is about learning real. And now, you have the tools to do just that. Keep it up and see you in the next lesson.